Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received such a lunchbox from Kaiga for review. Let's open up and see how it works. What I like already, as it comes in a great package and would make a perfect gift. Let's see. It's such a sturdy, good package. I love it. Look at this beauty. This is not an ordinary lunchbox. Not only it can keep your food cool or warm, it can prepare your food for you. I love the handle. It goes flat, but it also is up. It's made of nice to touch silicone. This is the steam outlet. Look how beautiful it is. There is an outlet that closing with the silicone plug. It's such a stylish lunchbox. I absolutely adore it. Let's see. It comes with the manual, with 3 cups, with the lids. It also comes with the plug. Make sure you open your box on both sides to find it. There is a sign that's not too obvious where it says Max Line. Remove the sticker before using it. What also I like, it comes with silicone legs, so it shouldn't be easily moved. Cups itself made of 3 or 4 stainless steel. It has a lid, 16 ounces size. Lid has a vent for steaming. How to use this unit? First of all, before you plug it in, if you're using it for boiling, for keeping fresh, for steam, for cold, you need to add water. Do not overflow. Just be sure you fill up to the max line that is printed on the back side of the unit. After that, you just plug the unit in the outlet. Such a high-tech lunchbox. I can preload, leave it as it keeps the food fresh for 10 hours, so I can leave it on the overtime on the cool, and then I can turn it on to cook it, because this lunchbox can do all the cooking. So there are few cooking modes for this lunchbox. When you turn it on, it says off. There is also cold, boil, after, keep fresh, steam, and keep warm. You can press menu to switch your modes. For example, I choose the cold mode and it starts cooling off right away. This button helps you to cancel the mode or cycle through all of the modes. And you can always choose the time if you choose the mode more or less. After you put your mode, it takes 5 seconds for it to start working. What I like the most about this lunchbox, first of all, you can preset it in the morning, take it with you, and then start cooking wherever you need your food to be ready. You can preset the delay start. Also, if room is colder, you want to keep your food fresh, you can use cold mode. This way, this lunchbox can lower the food temperature by 20 Celsius or 36 degrees Fahrenheit to keep it fresh before you need to start cooking. Preferable to use cold mode when it's colder in the room, like below 68. This mode will keep your food fresh for up to 10 hours. And if room is pretty chilly, it can even freeze the water. Then you can start steaming your food or boiling your food. It's not just warming up from the bottom, it cooks food very evenly. All the information is in the small manual that's very easy to follow and super easy to learn how to use this lunchbox. It's such a game changer because I can take it with me to work or anywhere else and have my food ready on my own terms. It will keep my vegetables or fruits fresh. It will keep my food cold till I need it to be cooked. Then I just turn it on or preset to turn on in advance, and the food will be ready when I need it. The best option for me will be an after mode. It's the cooling mode and the boiling mode together. This mode keeps your lunch cool and then warming up by the preset time. We go to preset mode, we For example, in 2 hours we need it to be ready. Then we go to the menu and we go into the after. Then we set the total time, for example, 2.5 hours. I'll try to cook a couple things as rice and broccoli and see how it works. I got some broccolis and I pour a little bit of water in it just for the steaming process. I'm gonna cover it. And I think I'm gonna leave the steaming outlet and the lid open. And instead of rice, I got quinoa. It should be about same cooking time as the rice. And for the protein, I actually took an egg. This one in. And I'll put everything on the steam. I just go pressing menu till I meet the steam. And let's do half an hour. It takes 5 seconds after you choose the mode for the bento box to kick in. And I can feel it already that it's working. It's very not loud. Such lunchbox would give me opportunity to warm up and prepare my food at work without using microwave. It doesn't have to be only used for the hot meals. It can be used for the cold meals. It can be used for the salad, for like even dessert. I already feel it that it's getting warmer. I'll come back to it and show you the results. You can hear how it boils. It's pretty hot. On the top I can see a little bit of moisture. I never thought in my entire life I would be excited about lunchbox. So the moment it's done, it's making one beep and it's going into keep warm mode. It's truly cooked the food. You see how much condensation it was there? Here is my egg. The water is boiling hot. This is my quinoa. Look how well it's cooked. It's so fluffy. I wish I wouldn't forget the salt. It's fully cooked. And here is my broccoli. It's also good, like a broccoli would. What I have to say about this bento box, it's great lunchbox. It gives you ability to cook your own food, especially if you're on a diet, especially if you're exercising and you prefer certain ways of eating. I'm pretty sure I can make chicken in it and salmon and many other protein. It's a great way to be on the go in the office, especially if you work long hours. This way it can just stay on your table and cook for you. Just preload before you get to work. I love how portable it is and how lightweight it is. I love it and I do recommend it. By the way, the egg is fully cooked.